In this lesson, we will understand how to create a pie chart in Tableau. First, we will see what is a pie chart and then we will create it in Tableau. Let's see. A pie chart is basically a circular graphic that is divided into slices. Okay, as you can see in the image, it is basically a circular graphic that illustrates numerical proportions. It is also known as pie graph or circle graph. So I just told you that it is divided into slices, right? Consider that each slice represents a category and its size will display the items proportion to the total. So when we'll see the example, the things will be more clear. So here you can see a circular graph with slices in different colors. We can also take an example quickly. Let's say we have divided 4 sports into what students like. There is a group of 100 students and 45 like cricket, 25 like football, 15 like hockey and 15 like tennis. If you will be having a pie chart, it will represent all the students in total, right? 100 students, and each slice will represent each sport. That means there will be 4 slices. Okay, and the sizes of the slices will be proportional to the number of students. That means out of the 4 slices, the biggest one would be for cricket because it is having the more number of proportion. That is 45 students out of 100 students. So let us now go to Tableau and create a pie chart. So this was our Tableau. We already connected the sample store Excel file and we saved the project as Amit_Tableau_visual. Go to plus and I'll rename it by double clicking pie chart. Okay, now let us create a pie chart. So we will create a pie chart to display the distribution of profit across segments. Each segment would be color coded and labeled according to its category. And the size of each slice will represent the sum of profit for that segment. Now to create a pie chart, we will drag the dimensions and measures to the marks tag, but here under automatic select pie. Now I'll drag the segment dimension to the color. Then I'll drag the segment dimension to the label so that the segments are also visible. After that, I'll drag the profit to the size. Click to entire view. When you'll keep the mouse cursor, it's visible, the segment and profit, but I want to show it as a label. Just drag the profit to label and here it is. So we have created our pie chart and here the legends are visible. That shows the sum of profit for all 3 and it shows the legends for the segments. If you want to edit the colors, you can click here and click edit colors and you can easily adjust. Okay. So in this way guys, we can easily create a pie chart. The pie chart displays the distribution of profit across these segments. Okay, each segment is color coded and labeled according to its category. So this is what we achieved. And the size of each slice represents the sum of profit for that particular segment. So this pie chart visually compares the profit distributions of the 3 segments: home office, consumer and corporate, making it easy to see which segments are performing better in terms of profit. This pie chart provides a clear and concise way to understand the relative profit distribution among the different segments. So guys, we created a pie chart in Tableau. Thank you for watching the video.